Good afternoon. So it's become a beautiful sunny day today, mid-February, and I'm in the South East Brecon Beacons in a little village called Llanellen, which is near Abergavenny. There's a beautiful little church here, and we're heading up to a small-ish hill, only about 300 metres, called Coed Y Prior. So that's, you can see here above the sort of forested top there, and the sort of hilltop is beyond that. So it's a new one I haven't done before. It's a minor hill, I suppose, just adjacent to the Blorenge, but I think the view should be good. We'll see in a bit. So just come out of the village and sending just through the first field. Following the Usk Valley Walk is the path it's called, which so far has been nice, and it heads up to the Brecon Monmouthshire Canal up there, which goes from Cwmbran to Brecon. Some nice walks along that canal, and good thing about this, it's only 20 minutes from where I live, which is nice to not have to drive far, and we weren't forecast sun. It's beautiful, so it's going well so far. Nice views of the canal, almost more like a river in parts, where I guess it's not used anymore. It's banks all look very natural. So we're on the footbridge. The path takes us one of these two, actually. I need to get the map out, and then we got very steep ascent up this bank or to the side. Started at sea level today, so about 40 meters I think, so at least we're getting in most of the climb. That's where we've come from, and nice views of the Skirrid mountain and into Abergavenny. Very nice. So warm, really complete contrast of what was forecast, which is great because normally it's the other way around, where they forecast it to be alright and it's horrible. So I'm really enjoying this. So nice not to be windy or wet or boggy. So we're going to just try and catch a path that goes up here. I think there's a steep road, but I haven't found anything yet. We'll see how we get on. So we'll come up the steep road and around here in the forest. This is the path that I could have taken, but there was lots of false ones, so it's unsure which was the right one. Might use that one on the way down. And nice, we come up a reasonable way. Nice view. And now I've got to decide which one of these to go for. It's all forested now. I'll have a look at the map again. Well, I've certainly got a bit disorientated along the forest tracks, but nice view now of the Skirrid, and I can see finally an opening up onto the sort of hillside, the fell side, and I think we can go up here and across, so we're going to try that. Well, Maggie seems to be enjoying it. Max! Maggie! Deaf as well. Nice Skirrid view, and here's the Blorenge, and then this is Mynach, I can't remember what it's called actually, Mynach Garn Fawr, that's what it's called. That's a lovely ridge walk, that, from Llanellen along there and then to the masts and then up to Blorenge summit. That's a really nice walk. So we've broken out of the wood, and this is a little kind of makeshift path that takes us to the top. So I found the summit stone. It's very windy up here. There you go. Really nice valley views here, and feels like you're in a basin surrounded by the Blorenge and the ridge that goes towards it. I've been meaning to do this one for a while because I drive past it all the time going to bigger hills, and yeah, it's not bad. The top's pretty bleak, it looks kind of apocalyptic, but apart from that, the walk's been alright. Anyway, it's another one ticked off, and at least it stayed dry, that's the main thing. So we're following this kind of makeshift path down the side back to Llanellen, and it's been a really nice walk. Great views, best views of the Skirrid. Looks quite high actually, the climb from here. But you know, that's not a difficult one, but it does look very high compared to the valley floor there. And yeah, lovely views to finish on. That was definitely a hill in its own right, no doubt about that. So pleased I've done that in a sort of quest to try and tick all of them off, which is going to take many years. But it was a nice walk. The top was quite bleak, but apart from that, the walk up was short, steep, good exercise, and the woods were quite nice, and it was local to me, so it was ideal really. We'll see you next time.